Hi, it's Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful looking website with WordPress in around 10 minutes. Now, of course, you are going to need to add content and make edits and all that stuff, which will take a bit longer, but the actual basics are going to be up and running in less than 10 minutes. And not only is it going to be a beautiful website, it's going to be beautifully animated as well. Things moving around, lovely effects. It's going to look absolutely amazing. Maybe could look a bit like this, or maybe even like this. In fact, what we're going to be using today has got a whole load of different templates, so I'm sure you're going to find something that works well for you. So it's all about creating something quickly, so that's enough intro. Let's jump on the computer and let me show you how you can create a beautifully animated website with WordPress super fast. Let's go. The plugin I'm going to be using in this video is this one. It's Animation Addons. You can find it over at wpeagle.com/AA. That's an affiliate link. Thanks very much if you use it. You may have seen it in one of my previous videos where I used it to animate a rather static website and I basically made it come alive. With this plugin, it's got some fantastic animation features. But today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create a beautiful animated website using the plugin and one of their many starter templates. So they have a free version available, by the way. If you want to go check that out, you can install it from within your WordPress plugin section in your WordPress dashboard. Just go to Add Plugin and do a search for Animation Addons. In terms of the Pro version, we'll just quickly show you the pricing. It's very reasonable. Starts at just $23.60 for an annual license for one site, and they have some other packages if you need it for even more sites. So I've got a WordPress website that's just been freshly installed. Let's go and jump onto that and we show you how quick and easy it is to get the site up and running. So here it is. Here's the website. It's running the default WordPress theme 2024. I think this one is. I've got the plugin installed already. I installed the free version, then I installed the Pro version and then activated the license and good to go. Super easy to do. So I'm going to jump into the WordPress dashboard. So here we are in the dashboard. I'm going to jump into Animation Addon and then I'm going to go to the starter templates. Now in here, well, there is so many great templates to choose from. Just look at them all. They're super well designed. They're really gorgeous. And of course, they're all full of fantastic animations. You can preview them by clicking on the preview button. And you can see, look at these animations as we're scrolling down. Look at that layering there. Absolutely amazing. I love them. We just jump back to the templates. So from here, yeah, we just simply choose one. I quite like this one, but I mean, of course, it depends on the kind of website that you're making. Once you have chosen one, you just simply click Import. Now it's just telling us the plugins that it needs to install. We've already got Elementor installed. It was installed earlier, actually, when I added the plugins. Animation Addons does only work with Elementor, FYI. It's going to install Contact Form 7 and Animation Addons AI. It's also recommending this theme, which I'm going to add because I think the whole thing works better with their theme, which is called Hello Animation. And then we can import the demo content as well if we like. So let's click Continue. And it's going to do its thing and bring in our website. It should only take a few moments. There we go. Let's have a look. So here is our website looking super nice. I mean, just look at these animations as I'm scrolling down. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those counters. Now, of course, this can all be customized as much as we like. We just jump into Elementor, click Edit with Elementor, and then once we're in here, well, it's Elementor. I'm sure you're familiar with it. If not, it's super easy. You just click on the elements you want to change. You can change the text over here, and you've got all the style settings. It's super easy to use. You'll find loads of videos about Elementor on YouTube. So that's how easy it is to get the website in and up and running, and then obviously you just need to customize it as you like. Let me just show you the website because it's brought in a number of pages. We've got the About Us page right here. I mean, and these are all really nice pages. We've got services here. Now, if we wanted to add a new page, Animation Addons can help us with this too, because there's a whole load of pages that are already designed, ready for you to use, and you can easily add them. So if we go into the dashboard again and just go into the pages area, the theme wants a little plugin. We could just do that super quick. There we go. Before I got distracted, you go into the pages section, you'll see there is this import page button. It's a new one. It's part of Animation Addons. If we click that, we've then got all of these absolutely gorgeous pages that we can bring into our site. So yeah, if we wanted to add like an FAQ, we can filter down here by the type. There's all these lovely FAQ pages. Of course, you could choose whichever one you want, but there are some that match some of the templates already. So if this one, for example, would be a good match. Bring that in. It's going to take a few seconds. We can take a look at the page. And it's ready for us to edit. Now, of course, we'd need to add it to the menu, which is super easy. Of course, you just go into menus up here. There it is. Click Add to Menu. And then we can drag it to where we want. So maybe we want it next to the About. Save menu. And then we visit the site. There it is. By the way, to change any of this header stuff, go to Edit with Elementor and go to Header. For example, you want to switch out your logo or something like that. And then click on it and you can change it for something else. Let me see if I've got a file I can upload. I've got my Estepona Life logo here. Let's just use that one. There we go. It's a little bit big actually. We could adjust the size just by dragging it around so it doesn't squash up the, stretch up the header. A little bit small. I should probably adjust the image. You know what I mean? Drop it into Canva, get rid of some of this white space. It'll be perfect. You get the idea here. Once you finish, click Publish, and that's your logo updated. Now, there's one last thing I want to show you, and this is super cool when it comes to working on your pages. So if we go back to the website, let me go back to the home page. Or in fact, let's go to the About page. So you're working on the About page, and it's looking pretty good, but maybe you want to add something else. Now, Animation Addons has got a whole load of built-in, basically parts of pages. So if we edit this, I just clicked on Edit with Elementor. Then here is the page, and so we wanted to add something, I don't know, here. We click on the plus, click on the Animation Addons button here, this orange one, and then we got these blocks. So these are ready-made bits of pages that you can drop in for whatever you want. So, I don't know, maybe you wanted to add a Meet the Team. Drop that in. And there it is. Now, of course, you need to just adjust the fonts, whatever, so that it all matches. That's easily done. And yeah, there's loads of different blocks in here. And as you scroll through, you'll see that there are some that probably match whatever template you've chosen. So, for example, that one looks like it matches this template, this one as well. But yeah, they're all customizable, so just choose whichever one you want, really. Simple as that. We've got this support FAQ one. Nice one for questions, for dropping an FAQ into a page. And again, yeah, the font is pretty much spot on with what I'm already running. So there we go. That's how quick and easy it is to get a website up and running with Animation Addons. Not only a great looking website, but a beautifully animated one too. Let me know what you think in the comments. I do love to hear from you, and I'll read and reply to as many comments as I possibly can. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you're not yet subscribed, well, why not do that right now too? And I will see you in the next one. Good luck with your projects.